Hi ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you how to style passion twist. Just be ready to enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. Now most people don't know how to style passion twist, but I'm going to style it in different ways, very quick ways of styling it. You're going to learn, and I'm very sure you'll gain in this. These are our strengths. Just make sure you enjoy this video. This is style number 1. Very quick and simple. You can even do this by yourself. God has blessed me with one of the best models I've ever seen in this world, and I'm so thankful. Wow. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our style number 1. So almost getting done. Yeah, so we are going to style number 2. How to style passion twist number 2. Actually, you can also use different types of hairstyles when you style. You can use this. You can use these hairstyles that I'm showing you here when you're styling other hair tips, especially the strands. The hairstyles that have longer strands, you can use these same styles that I'm showing you here. Even if it's threes, you can still use these same styles. They can work. Or even if it's natural tangle or any. So don't think that this only applies to passion twist. No, it can also apply to other hairstyles. Yes, so we are going to style number 2. This is our style number 3. So this other style, I'm just going to turn out the previous one. This one here I've showed you. I'm going to do a lower band. I don't have to untie it because it's already where I want it to be. So you just have to tie it here. Maybe this can be, you can bring all this here, or you can even leave it, it's okay. Then I'm just doing the lower band. Also people have this thing. It is quick. Just do a rubber band, especially if people don't like hair to touch their skin. We are holding the rubber band. This applies to a serious function. When you're going for a serious function, you can do that band. Our style is done. Remember, styling is just have to have art. Styling is so easy. You can do something you feel like it's not fine with you, but when people look at it, they might like it. So you just have to be creative with the styling thing. Here we're done now, and you see it looks beautiful. So quick. Just 1 minute. Yeah, so my people, my viewers, in the interest of time, let me just take you to the very last one. But of course there are so many other styles. You can style passion twist, or you can style braids or hairstyles that are strand that have longer strands. So let me just take you to the last one for now. In case you need to learn more, you can inbox me, you can go into the comment section and let me know about it. Yeah, this last one is going to be push cut wheel styling. What I do, I'm going to separate this hair into two. I section it into two. Thank you so much for watching. We are done with the styling our passion twist. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share. Don't forget giving me a like, and of course don't forget to touch on the notification bell to be notified about other videos that are coming so soon, because remember, we upload a video almost every single day. We upload a new video.